beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, August 1st. Happy August. We are about to head out to Lake Tahoe for Lake Tahoe weekend with a few cousins and my siblings, so I decided I'm gonna vlog it, so come along.
Street fillers.
Hi guys. We have Chick-fil-A. We'll probably make it. Thank you. I'll probably make it into
I see my gluten-free bun and that's all that matters.
okay. Our first and only stop, guys. Okay, we're gonna go pee and then put gas and then be back on the road. Real quick. Snacky. Or you could use this. Guys, we made it. Oh, it's like a bug. Uy, what is that? Why is it following me? Why is it following me? Okay, guys, we just got to Baldwin Beach. We're about to set up and chill for a little bit.
Oh! What you know about that?
Beach day over.
We're going to the Airbnb, right?
Okay guys, everything is in. We put the 2 cars in the garage, and now we're all gonna eat.
You're such a gamer.
If you're like, y'all are toasting in there.
Getting ready for the boat. I'm packing the stuff right now. Coolers, the drinks. Oh yeah. And motherfuckers. Okay. My little bag, my little jacket.
Are we taking this one?
I don't know.
Are we taking this one?
I know, you guys didn't agree. Are we taking that one or the banana?
This Main Street.
The other one is better, but.
The other one's bigger.
Good morning, yo. I was the first one dead. Yeah, that's the first one ready. So we're currently prepping the food and the drinks and the coolers. And then we're going to be out in maybe like 30 minutes.
You ready?
Yes. Okay, we're bringing a knife.
Getting ready to go.
If it's not in here, we're not leaving.
We got the speaker.
Y'all, we've had a chaotic
You're training.
Guys, I forgot to take my camera inside the bagel spot. We got breakfast.
9:54.
Our boat reservation is at 10. Oh my god! We just got to the boat rental spot.
Her parents moved though.
And Kiki went to go
That he
check.
moved to.
Guys, we got our boat.
Yeah.
Cool. The main thing I'm preaching.
Okay, so we just came into Emerald Bay. We found our little spot. We're about to just chill here for a little bit, take some shots, and then maybe check out another spot later on.
How was it? Smooth. Good?
Yeah, it was better.
It's amazing. I want to know it.
Alright guys, everybody is 2 shots in, and now I think we're just gonna grab our drinks and chill. Build up the courage to go in the water, jump in, because that shit looks cool as fuck. Hello everyone! I know y'all don't really see me on here, but we are here chilling. They were over there, like, everybody was having fun, and I think that that's OTD, okay. We're on the way to the next location. We called for an anchor, but apparently they don't have anchors. That's cap though, they lied to us. They don't want to see us win, boy. Wait, you look
Tan.
do we really?
You look tan.
Well, now you can get lick again. No one's gonna tell you anything.
Señora, no me grite.
Saquemos la mesa ya.
Yo soy una señorita. Cheers. 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 Kike, go get
Jaslyn.
Jaslyn, Yessie, D, Adela. She really Kike.
Okay, guys, quick update.
She didn't have storage on her camera, so she recorded on her phone.
Yeah, my camera no longer has storage. Look at him, look at him. It's currently 10:30. We just parked and we're about to go do the Monkey Rock Trail thing.
What are you gonna get?
Guys, we finished with the hike. It's 12:47 and we're in line to get our lunch right now. It's the little restaurant that was literally right in the beginning by the parking lot.
Light me up that cigarette and I'll
Alright, y'all, it's 2:13 and we just parked the car on the edge of the road by Chimney Beach because that's where we're gonna go chill for maybe like 2-3 hours before heading back for dinner.
Here, put it in your bag. Can I put it?
Que nos tienen haciendo para ir a la playa. Okay, y'all, it's 9:23 and Yessie and I are about to be out. We're leaving a little early because we got work tomorrow. The rest of them don't. Early.